everyone, this is English 3's instructional video for week 22. Your assignments for the week are 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. The learning target this week is I can distinguish the difference between biographies and autobiographies and write my own. All right, biographies are written accounts of a person's life, but they're written by somebody else. They can be about their entire life or just a part of that person's life. Autobiographies are written accounts of a person's life that's written by that person. All right, for the explore portion, I would like you to read through this information to learn more about biographies and autobiographies. Watch this video to learn about the differences, and then also flip through these flashcards. So please take a moment to complete these activities. For the explain portion, in a Google Doc, explain the similarities and differences between biographies and autobiographies. For the evaluate portion, I'd like you to take this quiz that's found in this link to show what you learned about these two concepts. For the elaborate portion, in your Google Doc that you started earlier, I'd like you to write an opening paragraph for your own autobiography. And there's a rubric that will be used to assess you. And then finally, for the express portion, now that you've learned more about biographies and autobiographies, how do you feel about your progress? So please read through these statements and write the statement that best fits you and place it in your Google Doc. And then finally, for your reflection in your Google Doc, I'd like you to answer the question, how can you use what you learned in the future? All right, I hope you have a wonderful week, and please let me know if you have any questions or concerns about anything. All right, thanks a bunch. Bye.